Hello everyone, my name is Shalene Tumaliwan, a student, and I'll be presenting about financial market. It will be divided into 3 videos. For this part of the video, I'll be discussing about the difference of financial market and financial institution. So first, what is financial market? It refers to any marketplace where securities trading occurs, which includes the stock market, bond market, forex market, and derivatives market. It brings together buyers and sellers in some asset or contract and allowing them to trade with one another, which is done through an auction or price discovery mechanism. Financial market creates securities that can provide return for investors or lenders while making these funds available for those needing additional money, which ensures the efficient allocation of capital and assets in the economy. So when financial markets fail, it can lead to economic disruption, including recession and an increase in unemployment rate. Examples of financial market includes the Philippine Stock Exchange, which is the national stock exchange of the Philippines and a self-regulatory organization that facilitates orderly manner of buying and selling of securities, which currently have a total of 285 listed companies. Also, the New York Stock Exchange, which is the largest equities-based exchange in the world, as per the total market capitalization of its listed securities, which trade trillions of dollars in securities daily. So let's now go to financial institution. It is any company engaged in the business of dealing with financial and monetary transactions, such as deposits, loans, investments, and currency exchange. It encompasses a variety of business operations within the financial services sector, such as banks, insurance companies, brokerage firms, and investment dealers. Financial institution directs capital where it is most useful, such as in the case of banks, where it takes in deposits from customers and lends the money to borrowers, which in turn ensures an efficient function of the capital market. Government oversee and regulate banks and other financial institutions, and even multiple agencies regulate the same institution since it plays an integral economic role. Examples of financial institutions are the Philippine banks such as BDO, BPI, China Bank, East West Bank, Land Bank, Metro Bank, Security Bank, Union Bank, RCBC, and many others. Also, examples include insurance companies in other countries like America such as MetLife, Farmers Insurance Alliance, Liberty Mutual, Berkshire Hathaway, Lincoln Financial, Pacific Life, Allstate, and many others. So, to sum up the difference between financial market and financial institution, financial markets are places where people can buy and sell stocks, bonds, and commodities for investment purposes, or simply to trade with each other, while financial institutions are organizations such as banks, credit unions, and investment companies that help people manage and grow their money. While both are essential in maintaining an efficient capital market and economy, financial markets depend on financial institutions for access to financial assets, and prices in the financial markets are heavily influenced by the financial institutions' activities. So that's all for the presentation about the difference between financial market and financial institution. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you.